Hey there, let's see how we can set up segments with our CommandBar account. So there are two types of integrations with CommandBar and Segment. One of them is a source integration where we send CommandBar events to Segment. So these are things like dead ends, nudges, quest lists, surveys. The second is a destination integration where we're actually using Segment events inside of CommandBar. I'll walk through the first one on the source side. So I'll click in here on integrations, then the segment card. I see I need my right key, so I'll hop over into segment. I can go to connections, then sources. I'll click into my source that I want, and then settings, and I can go to API keys and grab this right key. Just copy this, drop it in here. All right. Now I'm going to send a test event just to make sure that this is configured correctly. And I've got the right one, so I'll hop over to debugger. I see this identify segment integration test user. So this is working as expected. Now the second thing I can do is set up the destination integration for CommandBar. And this will allow us to, for example, only send a nudge or show a nudge to users that are opting into a beta feature. Or I can send an upgrade nudge to new users that have just signed up. So let's see how we can do that. I'll hop back into segment, go to destinations, I'll add a destination here. I will filter to CommandBar, click in, configure CommandBar. I'll tie it to this source. So what this means is that I am sending this sources, my segment sources events to CommandBar. And I'll call this CommandBar. Create destination, and I'll plug in my organization ID so I can come into here, copy this, and just drop it in. I can also have this option to deploy via segment. So if you don't already have the CommandBar snippet added to your code, you can use this, or you can also just check this and enable it and remove the CommandBar snippet from your code. In my case, I'm not going to do that. I'll just enable destination and save changes. So, hop back into app.commandbar.com. I can go to the editor. I'll go to my nudge that I want to use. So let's say it's this premium trial nudge here. We have this popover to try out our best features and start your trial as a CTA. I'll set up the targeting here to, instead of being showed to everyone immediately, I'll do it when an event is tracked. And now I can just type in the event in my name, the name of my event. So let's say I have something, well, I guess I can actually show you the events we have. So I'll come into my source, and I can look at the schema to see what event names I have. And in this case, we've got interested in beta feature, user signed up, article bookmarked. I'll use the user signed up one and plug it in here, and that's it, save. Now, whenever we see this user signed up event from segment, we will use that to trigger this nudge about starting a premium trial.